Hello, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'll be talking about a product that I built, which is specifically going to be useful for Flowise chatbot agencies or anyone who builds and sells Flowise chatbots as a service. Right. So if you're any one of them, keep watching this video till the end. I'm also taking you through the demo of the product as well, so that you get a better idea of what this product is about. Right. So this product is called Flowboard360, and on the right you can see this dashboard image. This is how the actual product looks like, and I'll show you in the demo in detail. So what is this? So this is a self-hosted dashboard for Flowise chatbots. So with this, you can easily track, monitor, and share your Flowise chatbots with your clients using a branded dashboard. So this is the gist of the product. So you can just add all your chatbots into one place and then create a beautiful dashboard and then share them with your clients so that they can start tracking all important metrics like conversation history, feedbacks, leads gathered, and many more. So what are the challenges that are being faced currently by the agencies, right? So the first one is the manual data collection. So they spend hours and hours to collect data manually, because I think currently there's no streamlined way of putting things together at one place. Even though we have many platforms, but still, specifically for Flowise, I see a gap where we do not have a product where we can just connect all chatbots at once, and then so that at one place, and then manage all of them and easily share the details. So this is one problem that we have, and second one is spreadsheet struggles. So if you've been developing chatbots for a while on Flowise, you might know that getting all the conversation history is a bit cumbersome right now, as you know you have to give access to the client so that they enter into the chatbot and then see the conversations history, which is not really professional. And the chances of they getting they making changes to the bot and they taking over control it are more in this case. So we don't want that to happen, right? So the third problem that I see is missing metrics. So if you've been doing things manually, everything line by line, then the probability of you missing some key information is higher, and this will also end up in delayed responses, right? If you've been doing things manually, then it'll take time for you to reach out to your clients and then respond to their queries. And yeah, so these were the problems that we've been facing. And imagine a solution that solves all of these problems, right? So the solutions could be detailed insights. So you get access to all your insights at one place, and you can easily track all the data in real time, including conversation history and other key metrics, and easily manage your chatbots and your clients at one place. All of this while keeping full control of your data, secure and compliant by hosting on your own infrastructure. So what if there exists a solution like this? So this is what the Flowboard 360 solves, and the way it works is, so this is how the pictorial representation of the the flow looks like. So how do you set this up? So this is basically a three-step setup. This is a one-time setup where you get the code base and then set up, connect all your data source. For example, in your case, it's a MySQL or Postgres database that you're using in your Flowise chatbots, and then just host it and connect your domain. So this is a one-time setup. So these three steps, and once this is set up, you will have your dashboard ready, and then you can start adding and managing clients. So the way it works is, first you have to clone the code base of the dashboard, and then second step is to use our already made a railway template, railway.com template, where every service is already set up. And then once you have these two, what you can do next is connect the template with the code base and your database. So once that's connected, you can just click deploy, and then everything will be deployed. And then once deployed, you can connect your domain to that service and you can start using it. So this is how it basically looks like. This is the pictorial representation. Don't worry about all this might sound a little technical, but I will cover more about the setup and other process in coming videos. So what are the features that are being provided right now? So the first feature is real-time metrics. So like I said, you can track conversations, user feedbacks, and lead generation insights all at one place. And you can manage clients, manage multiple clients and their chatbots from a single dashboard. And this also offers a white label solution, meaning you can customize branding and use custom domains for each client, so this will look more professional. And the next one is self-hosted and secure. So this is really important, since most of the Flowise users are self-hosting their Flowise services. So you have full control of your data, so you're not sharing data with us or anyone. So unlimited capacity, meaning you can just add unlimited bots and unlimited clients. There's no limit or restrictions in this matter. And the last one is lifetime updates. So as Flowise gets updated, we should also catch up with them. So you will also be getting lifetime updates of uh, for this product. And addressing your most commonly faced concerns: easy setup, one click deployment makes setup a breeze. So this setup, one time setup, is going to be really simple. You just have to connect your data source and the code base to the template, and then click deploy. This might sound little technical or complicated, but trust me, it's going to be very simple. I'm going to be covering more about this in the further videos. And talking about the second point, which is data privacy, since it's self-hosted, you host all of these things in your own infrastructure, so you have full control over what's happening. And performance, so zero impact on your chatbot performance, since you're connecting to your own database. So this does not affect or hamper your chatbot performance in any matter. And scalability, so this is specifically, like I said, built for agencies and for those who uh, build and sell chatbots as a service. So there's no limit of how many bots you can connect or how many number of clients you can connect to the dashboard. It's unlimited. And frequently asked questions, again, what technical skills do I need? Basically basic domain configuration. Even this is not needed at all. I'll make a complete video on how to do it. This is basically going to be a very simple and straightforward setup, where technical and non-technical people can easily follow along. And can I migrate existing data? Yes, historical data is automatically imported because you're connecting to your own data source, meaning you just have to import the connected chatbot to the dashboard, and then all the data will be automatically imported. And how many clients can I add? Like I said, it's unlimited. There's no limit or restrictions to both the number of bots and the number of clients. Complete white labeling support with custom domains and branding. It's available. And on what metrics are tracked: conversation history, feedback, leads, and user engagement. So these are the key metrics that are being tracked right now, since the product is just now launched, and I've made it open for beta access. So these I've just put just enough features so that we can just kickstart and start rolling the product out, and then we collect feedbacks from the users and then improve the product. So this is the set of features that we have right now. So now, if you're interested in learning more about this, about the product, or want to see in detail how it works and how to set up, or even if you need help with the setup, I can totally do that. So all you have to do is, there'll be a link in the Google form, for the Google form, in the description section. Just have to go through the form and then fill out your details, so that it gives me a clear idea on what you do. So this is basically to filter out non-serious people. So I just want some serious agencies or personals who are actively doing this as a business, meaning selling chatbots as a service. So I want to onboard them, give the access to the product, so that I get more serious feedback and then I can improve the product. Right. So if you're interested, feel free to go through this link and fill out all the form, fill out all the details, so that I can reach out to you, and then we can have a conversation further. Right. So this was the quick intro of the about the product. But right now I'll also show you a working demo of the product. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Let me actually log out first, and yeah. So this is how the dashboard login page looks like. Let me just log in quickly. Yep. So this is how the dashboard looks like right now. So as soon as you log in, as you can see on the sidebar, you get to see three different sections: dashboard, conversations, and client management. So dashboard is this particular section. Conversations is going to be another page where you see all the conversations of a specific chatbot. And then client management is basically where you connect and manage all your clients for that specific chatbot. Right. So on top left, you have the section where you see all your chatbots connected. So you can just select any one of them, and then you'll start seeing data related to that particular chatbot. Right. So, and on the right hand side, right, we have this drop down where you can actually toggle between light mode, dark mode, and things like that. And then we have settings where you can change your settings and other details. Right, let me go back. So this is the dashboard, and where you can see all the important metrics in a summarized manner. So this is the total number of conversations. So all of this data is presented in a time range. So in the last 24 hours, we have one conversation, zero leads, zero feedbacks, and conversations over time. So this will keep filling up. So this is basically like a chart where you can actually see the number of conversations happening over time. And then you have feedback distribution. So this will give you a chart uh, splitting between positive and negative feedbacks. If I can select this, let's see if I have any data for this. Yeah, so as you can see, total number of conversations. So this is another bot. So in the last 30 days, we've had 21 conversations, and one lead gathered, four feedbacks gathered, and this is how the conversations over time look like. And then over here we have distribution between positive and negative feedbacks, which the user gave to the bot responses. So I'll talk about this uh, in detail. So once I've covered, so probably I think I've covered the dashboard section. So let me now go to the conversations. So you can see a beautiful interface where you can see all the conversations between the user and the chatbot. You can see the conversations on the left, and then the messages of each of that particular conversation on the right side. So here you have a automatic timer, so it automatically refreshes every 60 seconds, so that it pulls all the latest data in real time. And you can have a filter here to filter out conversations based on all conversation, or only those conversations which have got positive feedback. So for example, this has got positive and negative feedback. And negative feedback, if you select, so this one and this one, as you can see, this negative feedback has been given to the user, given by the user for this response by the bot. And then once you can see all the conversations here, as well as you can also export the conversations based on selected time range. So in this case, it's last 24 hours, last 7 days, 30 days, or you can even set a custom date range. I can pick on calendar. So I want all the conversations from 1 to 16, for example. And you can click on download CSV, and it will actually go ahead and download this. And I can actually view that over here. I'm sorry, I have a lot of things going on the desktop, but yeah, I'm just waiting for this to open. Yeah, so these are all the conversations that happened. And if I see the time range, it's from 9th of February to 11th of February. Yeah. Yeah, even though I selected 1 to 16, I started using this bot from 9th of February. So that's where the conversation has been tracking from. So once this is done, I can see all the conversations at one place. Um, Now we can go to the client management section. So this is where you can actually connect your clients or manage clients for this particular chatbot. So I can quickly add a client here. I can go ahead and add a client here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry. Subdomain. I can actually set up a dedicated subdomain for this client. So I'm going to call it Sam itself. And company name is Sam Ventures. Yeah. And I can add a logo of their company. So I'm just going to pick my own image and add this for demonstration purposes. And once I click on add client, you can see client created successfully. So now this client, this person has access to this particular chatbot, friendly chat flow. So if I click on edit, you can see all the details of this client, where I can also go ahead and edit any of these details. And of course, I can just add more and more clients. I can just add n number of clients for a chatbot, and and the relationship is set up in such a way that you can add n number of clients to a chatbot, and a chatbot can also have n number of clients attached to it. So this way, I think it's going to be very helpful for agencies to set up demo workflows, right? For example, if you have a chatbot and you want to sell this chatbot, you can basically go ahead and connect your potential prospects to the same chatbot and then allow a demo access for them. And once they're done, they're happy with it, you can go ahead and onboard them completely. So this is how things are set up. And of course, you can also remove the client from this chatbot. Yep, that's it. And if I pick another chatbot from here, you can see this chatbot has no clients with it. And I can see all the conversations and go to the dashboard and see all the key metrics here. And also this entire dashboard is completely mobile responsive. You can minimize and maximize the screen, including the conversation section. If I do this, it's all beautifully arranged and organized, and works fine on all screen sizes. So I'll quickly show you. I'll just go ahead and create an agent flow quickly to show you how easy it is to connect and start tracking metrics. I'll just go ahead and create a very simple chatbot. Start node. I'll add a chat model. It's OpenAI. OpenAI. Okay. And just connect a simple LLM model to this. Sorry, not this one. LLM node it's called. Yeah. Let's go to the chat model. Friendly LLM. Right. So this is all set up. You can click on save. demo bot. Let me call it demo bot. Click on save. Yeah. Now let me quickly have some conversations with it. Right. I'll go to configuration. Sorry, this one. Share chatbot. Make public. Copy this link. Open it in a new tab. Hi. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the end node. Save, refresh. Hi. Okay. This is a demo. Okay. I think this is enough. Right. So I just quickly created a chatbot and then had some conversations with it. So now if I want to onboard, meaning if I want to add this chatbot to the dashboard, all I have to do is click on this chatbot, copy the flow ID, the specific flow ID of the chatbot, go back to the dashboard, go here, click on add new bot, and the name, let me just call the same. Let me call it demo bot. Click on flow ID, add bot, and that's it. Now I can select demo bot, and as you can see, total conversations one. It automatically imported all the conversations that we had, that the chatbot had. So from here, you can, if you go ahead and go to conversations, you can see the conversation that we had. This is a demo, and you can see all the metrics. And you can go ahead and connect client. Okay, I'll also connect a client. So you necessarily not need to add a new client every single time. What you can do is you can just click on existing clients, and you can see the list of clients that already exists, right, in the database. So let me just connect Sam to this chatbot and then assign access to it, to that person right now. So the Sam has access to this demo bot. Now I can go ahead and actually show you this. Let's continue to the site. Yeah. So Sam has his own subdomain, right? So if they want to access the dashboard, then they would get a URL something like this: sam dot and lvh.me is a local URL that works only on my machine. So if in case if you're hosting the entire service, you would get your actual domain name, right? For example, if you're hosting your service on example.com, then the URL would look like sam.example.com. So something like that, right? It's basically the same thing. So if I click here, continue, so it automatically pulls the name from the domain name, from the subdomain, sorry. So it recognizes it's Sam, and then Sam has to enter their credentials: gmail.com 2345678. Sign in, and once Sam signs in, that person can see all the information, right? So this is Sam's dashboard as a client. So once they log in, they can actually change the um, the view, and you can see Sam's logo, company's logo here, Sam company's name, and they have access to dashboard and conversations. And note that they don't have access to client management because it's only for agencies, right? And they have access to the bot. I know for some reason why this is showing up, but I have to figure that out why that's happening. But for now, they have access only to demo bot, and they can see all metrics here, and even they can go to conversations and see all the conversations, and even they have option to export. And yeah, currently I don't have fine grained control over what actions they can perform, what they cannot. And again, this will all be built based on the feedback from the users. But for now, I think I've covered 80% of what all agencies need to quickly get started and start providing this dashboard for the clients. Right. So this was a very quick demo of how we can quickly set up a personal branded dashboard for you as well as your clients, so that you can easily access all chatbot related data at one place in a beautiful way. So this was the quick demo. And again, if you're interested in learning more about this product, and if you want to try it out as a part of beta access, feel free to fill out your details in the Google form. We can set up a call and have a discussion, and let's see how that goes. And hopefully you liked it, and see you again in another video. Until then, bye.